Welcome back to Amateur Hour. I'm Bree.
My name's Lee, but you know that.
He's my mentor. So I'm gonna try to prove my worth to him right now. And we're going to make a basic shot.
Basic shot, I love it.
Yeah. Coffee rum, spiced rum, and then we're gonna float some pumpkin spice creamer on top.
Of course, it's pumpkin
We're
spice.
gonna test, yeah, exactly. We're gonna test my float skills.
Perfect.
I'm a
Show me
little
what you
worried.
got.
So we're gonna do half and half of the liquors.
So just half the shot glass of coffee.
Yep, and then half spiced.
Just gonna add some, a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of cinnamon to it.
That's what I was hoping. And I'm not too much of a professional yet. So I am gonna try to, there's so much in there.
Take a sip of it. There you go.
Delicious. Okay, back of the spoon against the glass, and you're gonna, oh my gosh, I'm gonna spill it. I'm gonna spill it.
It might help if you kind of move it down here, and then you can get closer to it.
Okay. No, that did not work. How do you do this? There's no way. Okay. I'm just gonna go
pour
for
it a little bit harder.
Here you go. I really hope I do right by you. If it's bad, I wasn't here. I was not here.
Yeah, this was Jordan's drink idea, by the way.
Exactly. Jordan made it. Jordan's the one that told me to do it. 1, 2, 3, cheers.
That was great. I can't believe you came up with that. That's awesome.
Thank you. Honestly, it tasted like a pumpkin spice latte.
Yeah, pretty much, just a little shooter of it. But if you're making this, like, this is a great party shot. So
Yeah.
you make a ton of them real quick, that'd be great.
For sure. You don't necessarily even have to float this. We just thought it would look nice.
Yeah, you could use any other cream too.
Yeah, doesn't have to be pumpkin spice. It could be anything.
It also has to be pumpkin spice.
Yeah, that's more basic. Thanks for joining me.
Of course, thanks for having me.
I wish I could have done a little bit better for you, but it was really tasty.
Presentation, 4 out of 7. Taste, 7 out of 7. 10. 7 out of 7, screw it.
I'm learning.
7 out of 7.
But check out the recipes in the description. Come visit us. We're in our new distillery, so come see us soon here. This is where the bar is going to be, so you'll have to come see Lee because
Yes.
the professional is going to take over. I won't be serving your drinks. You might see me walking around.
You can guest bartend.
Yeah. Oh, that would be fun.
Yeah.
I would like that. But yeah, and we'll see you guys next week on Amateur Hour. Bye.
Bye.